Tensão com as
completely
buchas
burned out high voltage
estouradas e o
transformer
tanque
with its
chamuscado é
bushings
o sinal
destroyed and its tank
definitivo de
scarred by
descarte.
fire would
As
normally be
normas de
considered scrap
segurança
in many
e a
countries.
logística industrial moderna
Equipment of this
não
size is
permitem
usually discarded immediately due to safety concerns and the high risks involved in operating with thousands of volts. But in Pakistan, the reality is different. There, necessity transforms the impossible into routine. What seems irreparable to many modern engineers, in the hands of experienced technicians, becomes just another challenge to be overcome. The transformer we will see today was responsible for distributing energy to an entire community. Under extreme heat and constant overload, the equipment ended up suffering severe damage. The internal insulating oil, which should have been clean and transparent, turned into a dark and contaminated mixture. The coils were carbonized, and the core suffered from overheating. Even so, instead of abandoning the equipment, the technicians begin an impressive artisanal reconstruction process. Everything happens in a simple workshop, without sophisticated machines, but with decades of accumulated knowledge. The disassembly begins manually. Each piece is carefully removed while workers analyze the damage caused by the internal short circuit. The silicon steel core, responsible for the transformer's magnetic flux, needs to be separated blade by blade. This work requires absolute patience, because any deformation can completely compromise the equipment's efficiency. The burnt coils reveal the extent of the damage. The original insulation has practically turned to charcoal after the thermal collapse inside the tank. Even so, the technicians don't give up. They measure the exact thickness of the copper wire and begin the manual rewinding process. Here, there are no automated systems or computers controlling production. All precision depends on human experience. Each turn needs to be counted correctly to maintain the exact voltage transformation ratio. A small error in the number of turns can cause instability, overheating, and even a new catastrophic failure. The rewinding is done on simple, manually operated machines. The copper wire must remain perfectly tensioned throughout the process. If there are internal gaps, the vibrations caused by the magnetic field can destroy the insulation again in a short time. Between each layer of copper, technicians apply insulating paper and special varnishes capable of withstanding thousands of volts. Nothing can be improvised at this stage. A single empty space between the coils can generate invisible internal electrical arcs, compromising the entire structure. After winding, the coils undergo a chemical bath of insulating varnish. This procedure removes air bubbles and creates solid protection against internal discharges. In large industries, this process is usually carried out using vacuum and pressure technology. Here, it is done in a simple but extremely efficient way. With the new coils ready, it's time to reassemble the metal core. The steel sheets are carefully fitted to avoid magnetic losses and excessive vibrations. The metal tie rods are tightly secured to prevent the phenomenon known as magnetostriction, responsible for the famous hum of transformers. All this reconstruction exists for a very important reason: economy and survival. Importing a new transformer would be too expensive and take months to arrive. Recovering old equipment is the only viable solution for many regions. At the end of the process, the internal assembly is placed back inside the steel tank, which also undergoes rigorous cleaning. Any metallic residue or moisture could cause a new short circuit as soon as the equipment is energized again. And then something amazing happens. What seemed like mere scrap metal is brought back to life and reconnected to the electrical grid. Workshops, small factories, and homes receive power again thanks to the manual labor of these specialists. This is the engineering of survival. An example of how technical knowledge, practical experience, and determination can defy what many would consider impossible.
Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
If you enjoy seeing complete processes like this, showing every detail of the reconstruction and heavy engineering, follow the channel and continue exploring content where technique and reality meet.